You can also write to us on WhatsApp, but I do urge you to pick up your phones and hit us with your any stock related query. Today we have Mahesh M. Ojha joining us on the fundamentals and Virat Jaggar, senior technical analyst at Bonanza Portfolio, joining us on the technicals. Welcome back, both of you gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining this edition of Fast Profit. Let's dive straight in. Nageshwar Rao has written to us from Hyderabad, and he holds 650 shares of Paras Defence, bought at 838 rupees a piece. He's sitting on a loss of about 53,000 at the moment. Paras Defence was up about 1.5% in trade today. Mahesh, I'll take this question to you first. What is your sense on Paras Defence and also the space per se, because it saw a lot of traction in the past couple of months, but now that seems to be fading down. And while in the long term the stock market is believed to give you good returns, but does defense have any life left for at least the next 1 or 2 years when it comes to the kind of returns people are hoping for?
I think if anyone horizon is more than 1 year, they can hold further from these level also. I think 750, 760 could become, if you are holding from a 1 year perspective, it can become soon, but yes, 750, 60 level could become. I'm not much more optimistic for 1000, 1100 level, but yes, 750, 60 level at least could become. After that, numbers on quarterly result we can review further. But from current perspective, they can hold 750, 60 could become.
All right, okay. And now we have Dinesh on the phone line joining us from Mumbai. Hi Dinesh, good evening. Namaste. Please go ahead with your question.
Madam, good evening.
Yes, go ahead.
I have an inquiry about Bel Industries.
Okay.
Today I have brought 500 quantity at the rate of 138.75.
Okay, okay.
I can hold 1.5 years.
Okay. And what would you want to know then about this?
What the future of the stock?
Okay, okay, all right. Virat, you know what? I'll take this question to you because Bel Industries, Dinesh bought them today at 138.75. He's bought 500 quantities of this one. As a technical expert, how do you describe the strength of the chart? Does it look like a counter that is going to give Dinesh attractive returns in the next 1.5 years?
So it's a recently listed counter, so there is no much data available. So I won't be able to answer this question. It's preferable to you can ask the same question with a fundamental analyst.
Right. Mahesh, then over to you. What's your sense on Bel?
See, it's a recent listed company. Issue came in 90 level. So after that, what we have seen some consolidation, and we have suggested on that level that people can hold further for at least 120, 135. So it's a purely fundamental running, and I think stock has some potential, still having some potential for 160, 175 level odds. But yes, it could take some time because stock has rallied from 90 to 140 in very short term manner. So I think it could take time. You have, if you are holding this, keep some horizon, at least 6 to 9 month minimum horizon. Keep, I think from 1 year perspective, they can hold 160 could become easily. After that, what we can review further. I think stock has a potential up to 175 odd level.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much for that. And now we have Pradeep joining us on the phone line from Bengaluru. Hi Pradeep, good evening. Namaste.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I am having 20 shares of Amber Enterprises.
Okay.
Bought at 2030.
Okay.
So the stock has been rising.
Right.
And I just wanted to know, should I be holding it for another 1 or 2 years? For any further rise, or should I book profits at this stage?
Okay, okay. Let's get that query answered. Virat, I'll take this one to you. Our viewer from Bengaluru holds 20 shares of Amber Enterprises, bought an attractive price or at 2030, and the current price at which it is trading is about 7,895. Now the question to you is that he's sitting on a great amount of profit of over a lakh at this given point of time, but the stock has been in a tight bound range since December of 2024, where it has been trading between 5,000 and 8,000. Do you think it will be able to break that price band and go beyond and give our viewer more profits, or should he just book his profits at this given point of time?
No, so on a technical chart, I can see that on the weekly parameters, it broken out with the pennant formation on the weekly chart. So it seems very attractive at the current level. It is 20 days exponential moving average is supporting, giving a strong support for the same. So you can hold this particular stock with the stop loss of 7,000, and further upside can be seen till 8,700 and 9,000. So till the time you can wait for some time because the company is looking quite good on the technical parameters. So you can hold this particular stock with the strict stop loss of 7,000, and further target could be 9,000.
Okay, all right. Now we have Dheeraj calling us from Hyderabad. Hi Dheeraj, good evening.
Hi, ma'am. My query is regarding Gujarat Fluoro. I purchased 40 shares at 3575. So what can be the short-term target is my query. Today they posted the result, but Street seems to take it negative. What might be the short-term target is my query, ma'am.
All right, okay. Virat, since our viewer wants a very short-term outlook on Gujarat Fluorochemicals, what would you describe our viewer to do? Because he's currently sitting on a loss of about 3,500 and more.
So basically the stock is moving in a sideways, stuck between the range of let's say we are observing a hurdle somewhere near 3,600, and the support is observing somewhere near 3,300. So till the time it is trading between this range, we might see further consolidation in the same range. So for the further confirmation, it has to breach either side of the levels. So till the time you can hold. If it is breaching below 3,300, then you can exit. Otherwise, you can hold the stock.
Okay, all right. And now we have another caller joining us from Chennai. His name is Vishwanathan. Hi Vishwanathan, good evening.
Good evening, madam. I want to know about ITC.
Okay, what about ITC, sir?
For short term.
Okay, how many shares do you hold, sir, and at what price?
Around 300 at 419, madam.
Okay, okay. And you want to know a short-term view, ITC?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or I can hold or exit it.
Understood. Virat, shooting this question back to you, ITC is currently trading around 413. Our viewer seems to have bought them at a very nearby price of 419. He holds 300 quantities. Do you think there's some strength left in the stock, and how far can it go?
So I guess the stock is trading in the very short setup where it is trading. It is continuously moving on the downward moving. It is trading in the downward moving channel where it is forming lower and lower formation. And same side, it is facing hurdle near to the 200 days exponential moving average. So till the time it is trading below 425 level, I can consider this is in the very short setup. So till the time it's trading below 425, the downside is possible towards 400 and 390 mark. So for now, you can hold for some time, but if it is breaching below 400, then I would like to suggest you to exit this particular stock.
Okay, all right. And now we have Pankaj calling us from Pune. Hi Pankaj, good evening.
Hey, good evening, everyone.
Please go ahead, Pankaj.
Hi. Well, actually, I had a question if I should be buying NSDL on the listing day, but I think we might not have views on that. So I would like to know if BSE can be added currently. I have around 45 shares at 2,600.
So you already hold shares of BSE?
I do, yes. I do have 45 shares at 2,600 rupees. Just wanted to know if I can add more for long term.
All right. Okay. Very interesting. Mahesh, I'll take this question to you. A lot of viewers seem to be interested in BSE, especially to play the capital market story of India. BSE is currently trading around 2,369 and has seen cuts of about 4.5% in trade today itself. How does the stock pose to you, and do you think Pankaj should go ahead and buy some more shares?
I think he should wait further because the P is quite high and currently stock is in downturn. I think a stock can touch 2,250 odd level. So give some time to stabilization of a stock. After that, what they can buy further. From current view, I think a stock can down from 100 rupee or from these level also. So wait for some more time. I think 2,250 level could become there. You can start from a staggered wave buying again.
All right, and now we have Subbarao calling us from Hyderabad. Hi Subbarao, good evening.
Hi, Nina.
Please go ahead. Yes, how can we help you?
I have purchased Forest Defense of 25 shares at 832 rupees.
Okay.
With a 6 month view. So my question is drastically falling. So whether I should hold it or sell it.
Okay, and Subbarao, when did you purchase these shares of Paras Defense?
Almost 1 month. You know.
1 month ago. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Virat, we have another query on Paras Defense. Our viewer holds 25 shares of this particular company, bought at 832. The stock has slipped from that buying price to about 653 at the moment. What's your sense on the stock, and do you think Subbarao can make some profits if he holds on to them for the next 6 months?
So the stock is trading near its make or break level. 640 could be considered as a make or break level for the same. So if price is falling below 640 mark, then we might see further downside till 550 to 500. On the other hand, if it is able to sustain above 640 mark, then we might see further upside till 700 or maybe 750. So I would like to suggest you, if the price, if the stock is rising, or if we are seeing some sort of momentum towards 700, 750, that could be the right time to exit. So my suggestion would be sell on rise. Follow the sell on rise strategy. That would be help to minimize your loss.
Okay, so we have a sell on rise, strategy being suggested for Paras Defense. But moving on, we have Prasad on the phone line from Bengaluru. Hi, Prasad. Good evening. Vanakkam.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thanks for taking up my query.
Most welcome.
Well, it's about it's about Shelley Engineering Plastics.
Okay.
To both analysts, if they're covering it, well, I have around 40 shares, bought at a price of 1,800.
Okay.
I'd like to know the short to medium term view on this.
Okay, all right. I'll take this question to Mahesh, our fundamental expert. Mahesh, Prasad from Bengaluru holds 40 shares of Shelley Engineering Plastics, bought at 1,800 rupees. The 52-week high of the stock is about 2,074. It is currently trading around 1,667 odd levels. Do you think our viewer bought them at an expensive price? And if that's true, then what should his strategy be for the short to medium term?
I think slightly expensive one price, but company is fundamentally good. So I think if any downside, if they are able to add in lower range, they can add further. So their average should be low. I think after that would be stock has a potential for some more upside. That could be a 1,850, 1,900 level. So from my current strategy could be add in any lower and exit on higher level. That could be 1,800, 850 odd level. So from current view, if you can't add, then hold. If you can add, then you can add from these levels.
Okay, all right. And now we have another caller joining us from Bengaluru. Naresh is on the phone line. Hi, Naresh. Good evening.
Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Yes. Please go ahead with your question. How can we help you today?
Yeah, actually, I purchased Swiggy around 1,000 shares at an average price of 350.
Okay.
So I want to know a suggestion whether we can go for long term or.
Okay. Naresh, I'd actually just like to confirm from you. Do you hold 1,000 shares of Swiggy? Did you say that?
Yes, correct.
Okay, 1,000 shares of Swiggy bought at 350 rupees?
Correct.
All right. Okay. So what would you like us to tell you and suggest you today? How can we help you?
Yeah, regarding long term, can we keep it? Can we hold it for 1 or 2 years, and how the performance in future? That's what I want to know.
Okay, all right. So Mahesh, taking this question to you, our viewer currently is sitting on a profit of about 35,000 at the moment, because Swiggy is now trading around 385 and he bought them just 35 rupees at lesser price at 350 bucks. But Q1 results of Swiggy did not look that promising, with net loss widening in this quarter, and quick commerce continues to be a pain point. From that fundamental perspective, what would you suggest viewers like Naresh to do?
I think partial profit booking is advisable on these levels. Number have not come good as per expectation. So some profit booking could be done on these level. After that, if any low nearby 360, they can add further. As sector outlook is positive, so I think Swiggy can come good number with over a time of period. So from longer term view, still can hold, but from these level we can see some more downside. That could be so I'm advising partial profit booking on these level and re-enter on lower range.
Okay. All right. And Virat, quickly taking your perspective as a technical expert on Swiggy as well. How does the charts look, and do you think the valuations currently at which Swiggy is trading is justifiable?
So I guess this is the level where you can book your profit, because if it is breaching below 380 mark, then we might see further downside till 350 and 320 marks. So currently it is trading somewhere near its support mark. If 380 marks is breaching, then I would like to suggest you to take exit from this particular stock.
All right. And now we have Ravi on the phone line from Hyderabad. Hi, Ravi. Good evening. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I have a query on CDSL.
Okay.
Just want to know at what price is good time to buy. I want technical analysis on this.
Okay, all right. Virat, you have a caller right there for you, especially because he wants a technical analysis on CDSL. What's your sense? It is currently trading around 1,566 and seems to be recovering at the moment. Please take us through your analysis.
So as we can see on the daily chart, it took a strong support near 200 days exponential moving average, which might work as a strong support in the near future as well. So if it is sustaining above 1450, 1460 mark, then it is the right time to enter with a stop loss of 1450 mark. Further upside can be seen till 1700 and 1800 mark, where we have observed the selling pressure. So currently, I guess this is the right time to enter for the short to medium term with the stop loss of 1450, and your target could be 1800.
Okay, all right. And now we have another caller joining us from Ahmedabad. Nitin is here to talk to us. Hi, Nitin. Good evening.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
Please go ahead. Yes.
हाँ, मैं एकम्स ड्रग्स लेना चाहता हूँ. एकम ड्रग्स लिमिटेड फार्मा.
अच्छा.
तो मुझे ये जानना था कि ये लेवल सही रहेगी और ये कंपनी फंडामेंटली सही है, तो मैं इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ उसमें. मुझे ये जानना था मैम.
आप इस कंपनी में इंटरेस्टेड क्यों है सर?
मैम मैं एक्चुअली फार्मा रिलेटेड ही काम करता हूँ, तो ये कंपनी में क्या मुझे काम इसका काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है, तो वो हिसाब से मैं बोला एक बार थोड़ा फंडामेंटली मैच कर से ले लें.
ठीक है, श्योर. महेश जी, हमारे पास एक व्यूअर हैं जो हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं, इसलिए मैं भी आपसे हिंदी में बात करूंगी. ही इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन एकम्स ड्रग्स और वो अभी 502 पे ट्रेड कर रहा है एंड इट वाज डाउन अबाउट 0.56%. फंडामेंटली आपको ये कंपनी कैसा लगता है एंड आप क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे व्यूअर को?
नहीं, अभी ये टाइम जो है, अगर आपको खरीदना है तो ये टाइम से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा और शायद हो सकता है कि थोड़ा और पेन दिखे, कारण कि लोअर कंसोलिडेशन है थोड़ा. तो मेरे हिसाब से ये लेवल बुरे नहीं है. ये लेवल पे एक्यूमुलेशन किया जा सकता है. लोअर लेवल में 440 के करीब करीब स्टॉप लॉस लगा सकते हैं. अपर साइड अगर ये चालू करेगा तो 640 से 690 तक की रेंज इसमें आराम से दिखाई दे सकती है. तो अभी थोड़ा सा लोअर कंसोलिडेशन है, थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए, स्ट्रेगर्ड वे में ऐड कर सकते हैं.
तो पेशेंस दिखाना पड़ेगा. बट लेट्स गो अक्रॉस टू अनदर कॉलर. शंकर ऑन द फोन लाइन फ्रॉम कैलकाटा. हाय शंकर, गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening, ma'am.
Please go ahead. Yes.
I'm having Global Spirits,
Okay.
60 shares, purchased at 856. Now, recently the stock has gone up quite appreciably.
Yes.
So, and being a long-term investor, I just wanted to know whether it would be prudent to hold the stocks for another 1 or 2 years, or whether I should book profits and go for Bharat Electronics.
Oh, okay. That's a very different department altogether, category of stocks. But let's take in Mahesh's view on this. Mahesh, a very interesting query has come across. Shankar from Kolkata, in fact, holds about 60 shares of Global Spirits. It's a liquor brand at 856 rupees a piece, and this shot up in July very, very acutely, and is trading around 1,184 at the moment, and therefore our viewer is sitting on a profit. But is this profit sustainable? Is the height sustainable? And if not, would transferring his shares or buying into Bharat Electronics be a better move?
Global spirit is volatile in nature of stock. So I think if any upside nearby 1,250, 1,300, that could be area where they can book further profit. On these level, partial profit booking advisable. Further rest remain quantity they can sold on higher. Stock has a potential up to 1,400 level, but it can take some more time. As investors want to switch in BEL, I think BEL can be a good pick. But range could be a nearby 360 to 370 range, could be ideally good range for investment on BEL.
Okay, all right. And actually, let's now take up another WhatsApp query. WhatsApp, yes. So we'll take up Atish's query from Vishakhapatnam. He holds 5,000 shares of State Bank of India, bought at 5,000 rupees apiece, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, it is currently. Okay, he bought at 720 rupees a piece and 5,000 shares. Sorry to exchange that by mistake. And he's asking for a long-term advice on this one. Now, firstly, our viewer Atish is sitting on a massive profit of about 4 lakh at the moment. Virat, taking this question to you, as a technical expert, SBI has been on the stock exchanges for such a long time. Would you suggest investors to book their profits, or do you think there's a lot more profits to earn from this one?
So I would like to suggest you to hold this particular stock because on the technical parameters, it is giving respect to the 200 days exponential moving average, which is moving on the northern direction. Same side, RSI took support near midline, which is also indicating a bullish momentum in the particular stock. So you might see further downside till 780 odds, but upside can be possible towards 840, 900 marks in coming future. If it is sustaining above 840 mark, then we might see further upside in 900 and maybe 1000 in the coming future. So I would like to suggest you to hold this particular stock. It's a PSU giant, and we might see further upside in the same.
All right, okay. And now we have Narendra on the phone line from Hyderabad. Hi, Narendra. Good evening. Namaste.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yes, please go ahead.
I have bought Paisalo Digital shares at the rate of 32.46, madam, average price. Nearly about 6,000 stocks, madam.
Okay.
I would like to know, should I hold it for long term, or I would like to know, madam.
Okay. Virat, I'll take this question to you. Our viewer seems to have nearly 6,000 shares of Paisalo Digital bought at about 32.46. It's a small cap non-deposit NBFC company. How does the stock look like to you? Because it seems to be descending optically on the charts.
So the stock has dropped below its moving averages, short-term as well as the long-term moving averages, which is 50 days and 200 days exponential moving average. That usually means the trend is turning weak, and the stock is also trading in the downward momentum. So we might see further downside in the same if the stock is breaching below 30 mark. So you can hold for some time if you are seeing that the stock is dropping below 30 mark or reaching the 30 level, then it's a right time to take exit in the particular stock. For now, you can hold, but with the strict stop loss of 30.
30 is the stop loss for Paisalo Digital. Now we have Anil joining us on the phone line from Gurugram. Hi Anil, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, I would like to know the prospects of UPL.
Okay.
I hold around 3,000 shares at an average price of around 550 rupees.
Okay, all right. But Anil, you're sitting on a great amount of profit of over 4.8 lakh rupees. So congratulations on identifying a lucrative stock for yourself. But let's see what Mahesh has to say about this particular investment. Mahesh, Anil from Gurugram holds 3,000 shares of UPL, bought at 560. The stock is trading around 720. How does the future prospect of the company look like to you?
UPL is a good company. I think they can hold further any upside nearby 760 to 775. That could be area they can book further partial profit booking on that level. I think stock has a potential up to 800, 840 level. But partial profit booking are advisable on 760, 775 range. From current perspective, they can hold further.
Okay, all right. With that, Mahesh and Virat, thank you so much. We've run out of time, but thank you so much once again for answering all those queries with so much patience and candor. And viewers, a short note to you, we are all live with Ask Profit both in the morning as well as in the evening. So do call in and send in your WhatsApp queries. But until then, stay tuned to NDTV Profit as we continue to give you a lot more news and updates.
The world has changed, since the RBI governor delivered a massive 50 basis points rate cut on June 6th. Should Sanjay Malhotra cut rates further before the festival season, or should he hold rates? The most comprehensive, insightful 360-degree coverage of the monetary policy with the best experts from 8 a.m. on August 6th, only on NDTV Profit.